Donna, I can't believe how many products you've got now.
I know.
From the time when you told me that you were thinking of doing a makeup bag.
Yeah.
And it was, I'd never seen anything like it.
3 years ago. 3 years ago it was.
3 years?
Yeah. And do you remember discussing like the problem with a makeup bag? What is a problem with the makeup bag?
I never find anything.
Never find anything.
It was
always rummaging, you know, always making a mess, tidying up, all of that. So I went home and made a prototype. Do you remember me bringing it into work?
I do.
This was it. Look at it.
This is the original.
Oh,
She brought this in and I said, what's that, a shower cap? I was like, what is that? So explain what it is and how you came up with that idea.
Okay, so the whole point was, how can we develop a new makeup bag that doesn't exist at the moment, you know, because there's hundreds of makeup bags out there, but let's do something different. The problem with the makeup bags is you can never find anything. It's like you want it to just be flat as a mat.
Flat as a mat.
I remember that line.
Yes.
So I went away and made this, which then developed into the black version, okay? And now it's in lots of different colours. And basically, it's a really pretty makeup bag.
Demo time.
It goes as flat as a mat,
Okay?
Literally goes as flat as a mat. Yeah. So you can spread all your makeup out. You can mess this up as much as you want to.
It does hold a lot of makeup.
It holds loads of makeup, and I know I've got loads of makeup because I'm a makeup artist. Most women haven't got this amount in their normal everyday makeup bag, but it holds everything. And it's absolutely brilliant for teenagers, I have to say. We get loads of mums thanking us because we've saved their carpets and their bed sheets and their rugs and stuff like that. Stop their
because
kids.
often they do the makeup on the floor.
On the floor in front of a mirror. They all sit on the floor, you know, in front of a mirror. So yeah, really great present for teenagers. And you can throw it in the washing machine.
Yes, that one came out. This is my one because I love this. Then you did all the leather ones. You've got silver,
leatherette. These are all leatherette.
Sorry, that beautiful red, which is so you. And I know, you know, I love silver. So this is mine, and I've got my little initial.
Yeah, so you can personalise all of them, which is such, people love that for. Don't you just love a personalised?
Well, you know, I bought all my girlfriends these.
Yes,
Christmas, I did all the initials with the little lip. And then the other thing I love about this is mine as well, is Donna's brush set that I take with me in that makeup bag. So tell us about the brushes.
Yeah, well, the brushes were developed because most women never know what brush to use on their face, for what area of their face, you know. So I know
you makeup artists have hundreds.
Yeah, hundreds, and I know I've got hundreds, and we need every single one of those, by the way.
Do.
But I whittled it down to the most important brushes that you need to do any makeup look, basically, and created the small brush set that we've got here. And I wanted it to be super lightweight. And we wanted the size to be small. Do you remember I was talking about that?
So Donna would often bring kind of prototypes in to me or ask me things like, if I did a brush set, what size would you like? I said, I don't want your big long ones, makeup artist brushes because they're too big for me. So we talked about the sizes, didn't we?
And it fits in your makeup bag or your handbag, okay.
But then I said, I don't know what to use them for. And then I thought this was genius. So to explain your card.
Yes, so we created a menu card which tells you what brush does what job, okay? As well as labelling every brush to tell you what it is, okay? So that's the blusher brush.
That's the blusher brush.
That's the
bronzer. I think that's
foundation. So that basically you know what to do with each brush. There's no excuse then not to use the right brush for the right thing.
So then we did brushes. Then she came in with another idea. She went eyebrows. Tell us about the eyebrow kit.
It's like the whole product evolved from one thing after the other. Once you've got the makeup bag, you say, well, what else do we need in the makeup bag? So that's when the brushes came. And then we did the eyebrow kit, which is a brilliant seller. So it's all your eyebrow tools in one tiny little wallet. Again, with the menu card. Brilliant.
Let me hold that for you.
Oh, sorry. And in here is your usual tools, like, you know, your eyebrow scissors and your tweezers. But there's a really good product in this that not many people have seen and they love. And it's the eyebrow blade.
And you get a really good magnifying mirror,
really
by
good,
the way,
yeah.
which is this one, isn't it?
Yeah, with the suction things on the back, so you can stick it
onto the mirror or the bathroom mirror.
Yeah, and the brow blade is basically, if you can't be bothered to keep pluck, then you just literally go against the hair grain and razor them all off.
I love that because I've got a lot of very fine blonde hair.
Yes.
I don't want to tweeze it, and it's really good.
Yeah.
I was a bit nervous about it until you showed me.
But it's not, I mean, it's not super, when it's like this, it's not super sharp. It's only when you put it on a slant and it goes against the grain that it really does the job. And so the brow kit is brilliant.
Just tell us about your headband as well.
Headband.
When you're putting makeup on or cleansing your face.
Yeah. And we've done these in black because so many women said, please do them in black. because they're covered in makeup all the time. You don't want to have to wash it every day, and you don't want to look grubby every day. So they're in black, and you can just wash it a couple of times a week.
Beautiful, like soft velour.
Really soft.
And then finally, very new to your range.
Yes.
Obviously, sadly that we need them, but we do. But why not have a stylish one? Oh, hang on.
And never be without your red lips. Look.
Never be without your red lips or your smile.
Or your smile.